Hello, I'm Alex, the CEO of Blobr, and I'm today with Mehdi Bouazza. At Blobr, we help companies to optimize their Google Ads account, and we realized that companies, consultants, agencies have their very own way to optimize Google Ads account, making changes or even doing the reporting. So we decided to partner with one of the best Google Ads experts so we can reproduce his work in a dedicated AI expert, the AI expert from Mehdi Bouazza.
Yeah, after 20 years working in Google Ads, including 13 as a performance lead for Google France, I've partnered with Alexandre and his team to include into Blobr all of my knowledge and all of my methodologies so that you will benefit from it. In your hands, you will have three things. First one is a deep analysis of your accounts and the different KPIs. The second is an identification of the different root cause of those variations. And the third thing is a list of recommendations of the different items that needs to be optimized, such as campaigns, ad group, keywords, ads, and so on and so forth, many things. Those optimization will be applied into your Google Ads accounts through spreadsheet that you can directly import either through the interface or through Google Ads Editor.
Amazing. And we can't wait for you to try out the AI expert working 24/7 from Mehdi Bouazza directly on our website, blobr.io. Thank you.
See you.